fun. I think we have exceeded all of our expectations, haven't we? I am absolutely delighted to be here, and it is wonderful that all of you came out here this evening to celebrate with me. I am absolutely honored that the people of this state have chosen me as one of the 2 candidates to move forward in April. And because of you, this campaign is the highest vote getter of all the other candidates. Whereas Senator Johnson, I'd like to thank Senator Johnson. She and I started talking about this campaign this summer. Thank you for your warm words and everything you have done and for your support. And then we have Becky Dallett. Can you believe Becky Dallett and what she has done? She has been here for me every step of the way, a sounding board, pumping me up with enthusiasm as we have gone along on this journey. Thank you so very, very much, Becky. Thank you so very much. And of course, Greg Sell. When I started talking to Greg about this campaign a year ago, I said, it's going to be a full year, Greg. All day, every day. No vacations. You and the dog. Are you up for it? And he was up for it, and he's been great. Yeah. And of course, Justice Ann Walsh Bradley, Justice Jill Karofsky, thank you to both of you as well. So all of you who've been here, and I know what you've been doing, the phone banking, the letters to the editor, the canvassing, the campaign contributions, everything. I know what you've been doing, and I can't thank you enough. Thank you so very much. We've got all of this momentum. We need to keep this momentum going. We cannot... We cannot take our foot off the pedal for a second because April 4th is a mere 42 days away, correct? I like that. And we need to be in the strongest position possible as we go into April. So, as much as we should celebrate tonight, and we certainly should, and we're going to have a good time, our work is far from over, right? Get on the doors with Jim. He's going to tell you how he does those doors. I'm counting on all of you, each and every one of you, to continue the momentum all the way through April 4th, because there's too much at stake, way too much at stake for us to stop for even a moment, right? Way too much. I got in this race because I care about our beautiful state. And I think our state deserves more than its current Supreme Court. I was born and raised on the south side of Milwaukee. Very hardworking parents. Worked my way through UW Milwaukee, waitressing at Big Boy with my friend Chris, who's in back. Chris isn't up here because she's crying in back. Worked my way at Marquette Law School. And I've spent my entire life rooted in this community. I've dedicated my entire career to public service. My only client has ever been the state of Wisconsin. I've seen our judicial system up close, and I believe in something that is universal to every Wisconsinite. Everybody deserves a fair shot in our justice system. There should not be a thumb on the scale. Everybody deserves a fair shot. But that's not what we're getting from our Supreme Court today. I have been traveling all over this state. You name it, I've been there. Got my favorite restaurants all over the state. All my favorite cafes, from La Crosse, to Manitowoc, to Sheboygan. You name it, I've been there. I can tell you people are ready for a change. And I don't think we would have seen the election results we've seen today, but for the fact that people are ready for a change, right? People are ready for a justice who believes in fairness to all. Thank you, Jim. I can promise you, I will always make decisions based on the law, never on partisan extreme beliefs. And that's exactly what I've done my entire career. I was in the Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office for about 25 years. Been on the bench for almost 10 years, and that's what I've spent my life doing, upholding the Constitution and following the law. I work very hard to uphold the laws of our state, to protect victims, to hold criminals accountable. That's what I have done. And I can assure you that as a member of our Supreme Court, I will always be fair and impartial. I can't tell you how I'll rule in any case, but throughout this race, I have been absolutely clear about what my values are. And that's because I believe the voters of this state deserve to know what a candidate's values are. I value a woman's freedom to make her own reproductive health care decisions. I value our democracy. Thank you, Kathy. And I believe that every Wisconsinite deserves to be fairly represented. Your vote matters. Everybody's vote matters. And the Constitution, our Constitution, guarantees the right to vote and to have a representative democracy in this country. I value public safety, and I believe that everybody deserves to live in a safe community. We need to uphold our laws, protect the rights of victims, and hold offenders accountable. These are not partisan values. This is common sense, right? It's common sense. At this point, we don't know who my opponent is going to be in April. It's too early to tell. The results are still coming in. But regardless of who it is, we know I'll be running against someone who doesn't share my value. I'll be running against someone who doesn't think women get to make their own reproductive rights. I will guarantee you that my opponent, if elected, will uphold the 1849 near total abortion ban. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you we will elect someone who does not care about our democracy, who does not have the same values. And that is why we need to win on April 4th. With your help, we can make that happen. And I'm counting on all of you. We only have 6 weeks. I'm not taking a day off. I'm not taking a minute off. I'm going to ask all of you to do the same thing. We can celebrate tonight, right? But after that, we are full speed ahead for 42 days. And the reason we're not even taking a day off is because everything we care about, and as I've told people across this state, everything we care about is going to be determined by who wins this election. So join us at janetforjustice.com. Talk to your friends. Talk to your neighbors. Make sure they know just how important this race is. Together, I know that we will prevail on April 4th, and we will bring change and common sense to our Supreme Court.